As a follow-up to my gym making tutorial, here are 27 gym leader ideas that I, Substitube, came up with. If you want to use and modify any of these concepts, feel free to. I'd use them myself, but I already have 8 selected for my region. Credit is not always required, but it is appreciated. Hope you enjoyed these designs. Stay tuned for my next tutorial on how to make villainous teams. And if you like what you saw, do the usual YouTube stuff and become a subscriber. That's it for today. Bye.